Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are watched my previous video about generative AI tools. In this video I am going to explain you about one of the powerful generative AI tool, that is ChatGPT. In this video I am going to explain about in detail information of ChatGPT, such as what is ChatGPT, how to use ChatGPT, what are the use case of ChatGPT. And the final one is ChatGPT versus Google. Let's get started. The ChatGPT is launched on November 30, 2022 by OpenAI. ChatGPT crossed 1 million users within 5 days. The ChatGPT is trending over the internet. So what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI based on the GPT architecture. GPT means generative pre-trained transformer. The purpose of ChatGPT is to understand and generate human-like text based on the given input data to it. It is easy to use ChatGPT. Go to the Google and search ChatGPT. Click on the first website and you will see a page like this. Click on Try ChatGPT. If you are new to ChatGPT, then sign in with your email. After you sign in, then you will see a page of ChatGPT. To use ChatGPT, simply start by typing question or statement in the chat box below. ChatGPT is designed to understand natural language, so you can type your message just like we are talking to a person. ChatGPT can also help you with a wide range of topics such as general knowledge, advice, recommendations, or a friendly chat. If you have a specific question, feel free to ask ChatGPT. Will do its best to provide a helpful and informative response. Note the one thing: the more detailed your question is, the more accurate answer ChatGPT will generate for you. You can use ChatGPT to find solutions to almost any problems, let it be coding or writing a letters, or almost anything. You can use ChatGPT for content writing, coding and debugging, language translation, understanding difficult concepts, writing a letters or stories or scripts, solving math problems. Let's see some examples. First one, it can help you debug and create entire code snippets. The best part is code quality. Second one, it can explain like expert about anything like physics, biology, history. It can also help you for content ideas and generate scripts or emails, letters. It is also solve your homeworks and assignments. ChatGPT versus Google. The data available on the ChatGPT is limited to year 2021. Hence, it does not able to give you latest information, whereas Google has access to the latest information. So, if you ask ChatGPT who won the World Cup in the year 2022, does not able to give you a response. ChatGPT, as of now, ChatGPT offers only textual answers to the queries and it gives straightforward answers, whereas Google offers results in most of texts and images or videos or links. Final taken of ChatGPT versus Google. The story has just begun. ChatGPT is currently working on its research preview and is already making people crazy. OpenAI is expected to roll out a paid version of ChatGPT. Will ChatGPT is a replacement for a Google? It is still matter of debate. But believe me, the things are surely going to change for good. I hope this video helps you. For such more videos, do subscribe my channel.